There's also a level for reseller accounts. When you get a reseller account and you own a store or a business and you have a product, I'll promote that product. And what you'll get is a page like this. This is Mr. Brave Boy Art of the Deal. What this is a stream of the art of the deal here on this page. Okay, and they get the deal. Okay, then they get the deal on this page. It's just like I said. This is a sales funnel, a deal sales funnel. I'm not going to say to you that you can make a certain amount of money doing this, or you're going to make a lot of money doing this. It's just like anything else. You have to apply yourself to what it is that you're doing. But what I'm saying to you is that this scales. Sometimes when someone's trying to sell something, they have a certain amount of money, and they say, well, I only can afford this amount of money. Okay, so that's where I see a lot of people who are trying to win the lottery. They're spending $5 trying to win 30 grand, and they'll spend $500 to get back $60, and then they'll spend $1,000 to get back $200. To me, that's just a waste. That doesn't make sense to gamble like that. I would prefer, like I've done, to teach myself how to become a winner and get an asset that I can learn from so that I can scale and still hold it in my hand and scale it until it's to the point of where I understand how to make money back from it. Can't do that when you're gambling. It's all in, it's over, it's done. So what this is set up to where you win every time. If you get this deal right here, you're getting a discount. Just that simple. If I'm at a location and you see that I'm at that location and I'm offering you a deal from that location, that is a deal. You get a discount. That's better than a lottery ticket. But on top of that, what you also get is the ability to come over here. So just in case you get your $3,500, you come over and you see whether or not you can be part of this land deal. You're able to purchase an asset that has a return, that may have a return over a certain amount of time. There is no guarantees. It's called working in progress. The WIP, work in progress. But once you get to a point where you're understanding what's happening, you're going to get excited. I'm excited. You should get excited. This right here is unlocking success in the cleaning service industry. Right here is the Atlanta Maids for Cleaning. Get the business deal with land. Okay? Atlanta Maids Cleaning. So we click this and we go over here. All right? Get a chance to read this. Go through the table of contents. Read it. This is the deal funnel, people. You click this and you're able to go over to the deal page. This is the deal funnel. You go over to the deal and you see how much it's going to cost you to purchase shares of this business. Grab the shares and we'll talk about what it is it's going to take for you to be part of owner of this business. You can't get to this unless you first understand this. There are laws against people are selling things at a certain price point in this country that you can get in trouble for. So I will not allow you to get here unless you first understand this. Get the deal. This is Mr. Brave Boy I hope you understood what I was talking about. I'm going to keep on making videos until you guys understand what I'm talking about. I'm not going to change products. I don't have to. I'm not going to say to you, jump over to Facebook, jump over to, I don't have to. I've already set it up. I've set it up to where you can be on Facebook. You can be on Instagram. You can be on YouTube. You can be on LinkedIn all at the same time. At the same time, each with a product at the same time. So let's just consider what's going to happen. Other people are going to put products on our website. And because you are at a certain level, you will be able to stream those products and make a residual or make an affiliate sale because you are part of Mr. Brayboy Sales.